Hey honeybees, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new, my name is Ciara and I do videos on finance, lifestyle, and I'm a full-time mortgage loan officer and YouTuber who's helped hundreds of people to buy homes and build wealth. So I take everything I know and I share it with you in hopes you will build wealth also. So this video is a little different than what I normally do. I have some big news I want to share with you guys, and that is that I now have my own Patreon. So now I have my own Patreon and I'm going to be using this as my creative hub for exclusive videos, trivia and prizes, extra content. I'm going to do lives. I'm going to have live Q&As, coaching, and much more. So first I will explain to you guys the tiers that I'm offering and what you get in those tiers. All right, so the first tier is going to be for my goal diggers, not gold diggers, but goal diggers. So the first thing I'm going to offer is exclusive videos. You're going to get content that is not going to be posted on YouTube. It's going to be ad free and it's going to be similar to the content I already do. It's going to be lifestyle and finance, but I'm also going to be doing like some more in-depth and personal content. I'm gonna let you guys in on some more personal aspects of my life that I maybe don't feel comfortable talking about on my main channel. So for example, I am engaged again. So as one of my first videos, I did film a video kind of explaining to you guys why I'm engaged again, what happened, why my engagement was cut off, all of those things, and just wedding planning and moving forward. So I'm gonna let you guys in on a little bit of my personal life. So you will get those exclusive videos along with much of the same kind of content that comes on my regular channel. You're also going to get digital downloads. So you are going to get digital downloads that help you navigate through the topics I talk about, not only on Patreon, but on my main channel. So you will get digital downloads that coincide with the information that I give you. I know a lot of videos have tons of information and sometimes it can be hard like to take notes and things like that. So I'm gonna do all the work for you and you will have digital downloads that will give you all the information you need without you having to make extensive notes. I'll also be doing interactive Q&As with you guys. So I get so many individual questions via email, Instagram, social media, YouTube, and it's hard for me to answer a lot of your individual questions. And so this will be a chance for you guys to ask me questions, whether it's specific to you or you just have general questions. I get a lot of finance questions, a lot of mortgage questions. So there'll be a chance for you to interact with me one-on-one and get your questions answered. And last but not least, I'll be doing trivia and prizes. I have not done any giveaways on my main channel in a while, but I want to bring back the idea of doing a giveaway and giving back to you guys. So I thought Patreon was a great way to do that. So I'll be doing monthly trivia and prizes to give back to you guys. Okay, so that's tier 1 for my goal diggers. Tier 2 is gonna be my paper chasers. Now this tier is specifically for my current and aspiring loan officers and entrepreneurs. One of the questions I get asked most often is, can I do coaching or mentoring? And these aren't things that I have built into my system right now. It's really hard time-wise for me to be able to coach and consult with people one-on-one. So having this tier, this will be an exclusive tier for those of you who would like sort of that one-on-one interaction and ability to really get consulting and coaching on your career as a loan officer, as well as information for aspiring entrepreneurs. What you will get is a part of the tier 2 is obviously you'll get all of the tier 1 benefits, which I just spoke about. So you'll have that exclusive content, but I'll also be making tier 2 exclusive content for my paper chasers. So you will also get your own exclusive content geared towards, like I said, my loan officers and entrepreneurs. So whether that's videos on how to become successful and make money as a loan officer, or how to build a business, how to start your business, how to get leads, how to make money, things like that. You'll also get to vote on videos for my main channel. So you'll get to vote on what I release next on the main channel, and you'll have a say in what information comes out. There will also be a special Discord for my paper chasers, which I will be a part of. So we'll have a place and a sense of community where we can share ideas, share advice. If you guys have questions, if I have resources that I want to post, all of that will live in that Discord. So being in tier 2 will give you access to that Discord. This will also be another way for me to interact with you guys on a very micro level and sort of just on a smaller group, and be able to cater to you guys more individually. You will also get your own lives and coaching sessions. This will be every month with my paper chasers, so you will get to interact with me in real time, asking me questions or just gleaning from, the resources and the knowledge I have to give to you guys. If you need some advice on your current business or your current trajectory, I'm there to help you with that, as well as if you have questions about navigating life as a loan officer, I'll be able to answer those questions for you guys individually in a way that I was not able to before creating this Patreon. And last but not least, I will be doing a patron shout out for the people in my Paper Chasers tier. So if you're in the Paper Chasers tier, you either are a business owner, want to be a business owner, or a loan officer. And so this is a great way for me to give you guys exposure. So I'm going to do a patron shout out once a month on my main channel to all of my 1,000 subscribers, just giving you a shout out and giving you some exposure for your business. This is a great way for you guys to start getting leads and for me to just share the love and really give some exposure to some great loan officers and great businesses. Okay, so why am I doing this? Why now? So my biggest reason for doing this is so that I can have more access and you guys can have closer access to me, and I'm able to help more people on an individual basis. I also want a safe space to share more of who I am, more of my personal life. I will continue to make content on my main channel, as well as I will have a vlog channel that also will allow you to get more personal with me. But I'm very shy when it comes to opening up about certain things or sensitive topics. And for me, the Patreon will just be, like I said, a safe place for me to do that to a very dedicated audience, and an audience that I know will not judge, and an audience I know is open, and an audience that I just plan to grow with, and I'm super excited for that. I also want to be able to add value in more ways than one, like the lives and the digital downloads and the one-on-one interaction, doing giveaways. This allows me the time and the opportunity to give more value in more different ways to you guys. And lastly, it's a way for you guys to get consistent and ad-free content. Having a Patreon will free me up so much with time and opportunity to create even more content. So I'm super excited about that. It'll allow me more time and energy to dedicate to giving my patrons more of the content that they want. So yeah, that is the big news. I have a Patreon now. Please, if this interests you, definitely join. You can go to patreon.com/ciaraelaine. I'm so excited to get to know each and every one of you on a more personal and individual basis. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to check out the Patreon and go subscribe now. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you to the bank and back, and I'll see you in my next video.